Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter in Project Zomboid. First, you will need to gather your essential ingredients and tools. This includes finding fresh milk, which can often be looted from refrigerators or obtained from farming. Next, you will need a suitable churning device, like a butter churn or even a simple jar. Finally, ensure you have a clean container ready for your finished product. This simple process provides a valuable food source for your survivor. To begin your butter-making journey, focus on acquiring fresh milk. This can be found in various locations, including residential refrigerators or sometimes in commercial establishments. For tools, a butter churn is ideal for processing larger amounts of milk efficiently. However, if a churn is unavailable, a simple jar can suffice for smaller batches. Remember to have a clean container ready to receive your delicious, homemade butter. Once you have your milk and churning device, it is time to begin the process. Simply place the fresh milk into your butter churn or jar. Then, activate the churning action. This will take a short amount of in-game time, so be patient. You will notice the milk gradually thicken and separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. Typically, 1 unit of milk will produce 1 unit of butter. After the churning is complete, carefully remove the newly formed butter from your device. To maximize its shelf life, always store your butter in a refrigerator. This will keep it fresh for a much longer period. Butter is a versatile ingredient, perfect for enhancing various cooking recipes and adding flavor to your meals. It also provides essential calories and fat, contributing significantly to your survivor's nutritional needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.